Good morning. Hi, guys and ladies. How are you doing? My name is Miss Johnson, and I'm going to be doing a how-to video on how to make some light and fluffy pancakes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get all my ingredients and everything I need to make the pancakes. So first, I got my pancake mix, and I love this one by Hungry Jack because it is complete and all I have to do is add water because it already has the eggs and milk all mixed up in there. So I got this, and I have a nice handy dandy measuring cup to measure. I already have my water here, and you'll make yours however you need to make yours depending on how many people is eating. For me, it's just one, but I want like 2 or 3 pancakes, and so it tells you like how much, if you want 6 to 8 pancakes, 1 cup mix, 3/4 cup of water. So of course I want less than that. So I just did like half a cup of mix with like half a cup of water. All right. I also have this bowl because that's where I'm gonna put my pancake mix. I have my spatula to flip that bad boy. Some spray because you don't want your pancakes sticking to the pan. I got my pan already heating up, and I have a plate to put my pancakes on, and I'm gonna grab a spoon. Always gotta rinse. All right, let's get this party started. Okay, so I already got my pancake mix in there. So I'm just gonna take the pancake mix, put it in my bowl like so. Oh snap. And this looks to be roughly good. If I feel like I want a little more, then yeah. So the directions say that you are to add water just until it gets moistened. You don't want it to be too runny. Otherwise, you'll get like super thin pancakes. I think I want a little more pancake mix. So what I will do is add a little more. Oh, crap. There we go. All right. So I got my pancake mix in here. So I'm just going to add my water. Okay. And then take my spoon, and I'm just going to stir. Meanwhile, oh yeah, it's nice and warm over here. Okay. So now I'm just stirring. Obviously it needs a little more water, so I'm going to add my water in there. Can you see? So I'm just going to stir until all the lumps are gone. Because we don't want no lumps in our pancakes. All right, need some more water. And this is why I like to pour a whole bunch of water so that I can play with it as I go through and get my batter nice where I need it to be. See, there we go. Looking good. All right. Still a little lumpy. All right, so I'm ready to put my first pancake down. There we go. There we go. And let's see, where can I take you? All right, some type of way. Okay, so now I have you sitting on the stove. All right. So take it, and I already got my little oil down. I'll do one more spray just for good measure. And I'm going to take my batter. I already got it in my cup. In my bowl. And bam. I'm putting it down. And you got to go quick because pancakes cook. They don't really take that long. So I see a few lumps. So I'm going to definitely. So I'm going to do a second one off to the side. So this is going to be I did a perfect amount. Go, Jessica. You're awesome. Okay. Bam. Oh, they're going to touch. Oh, my God. So, this is what they're looking like. Once they start having like a bunch of bubbles, that's how you know you need to flip it over. And I don't like no burnt pancakes. So, handy dandy spatula. And what I'm going to do is get ready to flip over shortly. Here we go. All right. So, as you can see, you see the bubbles, they're starting to come. Now, the thing with pancakes is you don't want to take too short, and then the pancakes are like all mushy and falling apart. But you also don't want to take too long because you don't want no black burnt pancakes. All right, so let's see. Okay, I can't do this like this. So bam. Ugh. And flip. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Look how pretty. Yeah. So I'm gonna let the other one sit for a few seconds. And yeah. So I'm excited because with my pancakes, I'm also going to do a side of grits and some vegetarian sausage patty. But you guys won't see that because this lesson is just on pancakes. And this lesson is getting to be so long. So flip, bam. Okay, just so y'all can see the second one. Proof, Miss Johnson she can cook. She can cook, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is grab my plate and prepare to put pancake number 1 on the plate. And that, my friends, is how you make pancakes. I hope you enjoy. Enjoy. #pancake life.